Here's a recipe idea for a fantastic and extravagant birthday cake. A chocolate peanut butter layer cake with salted caramel drizzle. This cake is a real showstopper and perfect for a memorable birthday celebration. Ingredients. For the chocolate cake: 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 2½ cups granulated sugar, 1 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1½ teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 large eggs, 1½ cups buttermilk, 1½ cups hot water, 3/4 cup vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract. For the peanut butter filling: 1 cup creamy peanut butter, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 2 cups powdered sugar, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. For the salted caramel drizzle: 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup water, 3/4 cup heavy cream, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon sea salt, adjust to taste. For the chocolate ganache: 8 ounces semi-sweet chocolate, chopped, 1 cup heavy cream. For decoration, optional: chopped peanuts, mini peanut butter cups, chocolate shavings. Instructions. For the chocolate cake: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and line 3 8-inch round cake pans with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, sift together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Add the eggs, buttermilk, hot water, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract to the dry ingredients. Mix until well combined. Divide the batter equally among the prepared cake pans. Bake for 30-35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cakes comes out clean. Allow the cakes to cool in the pans for 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For the peanut butter filling: in a mixing bowl, beat the peanut butter and softened butter until creamy. Gradually add the powdered sugar, heavy cream, and vanilla extract. Beat until the filling is smooth and well combined. For the salted caramel drizzle: in a saucepan, combine the granulated sugar and water over medium-high heat. Cook without stirring until the sugar turns a deep amber color. Carefully whisk in the heavy cream and butter. The mixture will bubble. Continue to cook for another 2 minutes, stirring until smooth. Remove the saucepan from heat and stir in the sea salt. Adjust the salt to your taste. Let it cool. For the chocolate ganache: in a heat-proof bowl, place the chopped chocolate. In a small saucepan, heat the heavy cream until it begins to simmer but doesn't boil. Pour the hot cream over the chocolate. Let it sit for a minute, then stir until the chocolate is completely melted and the mixture is smooth. Assembly. Place one of the chocolate cake layers on a serving platter. Spread a layer of the peanut butter filling on top of the cake. Add the second cake layer and repeat the process. Place the final cake layer and frost the entire cake with the chocolate ganache. Drizzle the salted caramel over the top of the cake. Decorate with chopped peanuts, mini peanut butter cups, and chocolate shavings if desired. This chocolate peanut butter layer cake with salted caramel drizzle is a true birthday cake extravaganza. It's a delightful combination of flavors and textures that's sure to impress your guests and make the celebration extra special. Enjoy!